choppy market and waiting for CPI data tomorrow, but we managed to take a short. Let's jump right into it. Welcome back, guys. This is Franco with Trading Futures Live. I want to share the trade that I took today on the live stream. Here is September 12. For those who want to go see when I took the trade live, I will leave you a link here and a comment down below, another link for you to go to my live stream and see when I took the trade. But let's jump right into the content here. It was a short on the MQ. Here I was waiting very patiently for the reversal pattern to show up, and I was willing to wait because the tick chart was doing its thing. It was creating, while this thing was going up and creating new highs, the tick chart was not creating new highs. So I was willing to wait for the reversal pattern, and I said in the live stream, if the reversal patterns does not happen, then I will not take a trade to the short side. I was not willing to take a trade to the long side here because of the tick chart and the location. Also, I said if price just goes down in a very sharp manner, meaning there is no sort of like reversal pattern, then I will take a long down there. I did have two zones that worked out later after my trade worked, but I was already done for the day. I made 3R, so I felt no need to keep trading. Also, I was expecting a sideways market. If you see my pre-market analysis, I was expecting a I was expecting a sideways market for several factors. Number one, the dollar was dropping and the market was not going up. It was going up, but not in a very bullish manner, but instead it was very lack of momentum to the upside. Number two, the market is expecting tomorrow the big news release, which is CPI, and then we have Thursday's PPI. So we have more news. We didn't have any like big news today, right? But let's jump right into the trade. I enter up here for the short. I was up and down. Then I was aware about this pivot, right? So I was here, I was close to 1-to-1. I was not willing to move my stop to break even. And I was not willing because the tick chart was still showing bearish momentum, right? Not bearish momentum, but a trend change instead. And then here, when we finally we came back to this pivot, I still had my stop right here. I have learned that when I move my stop too fast, I'm just asking the market just to stop me out. So I was willing to take the risk. When I entered up this trade, I accepted the risk, and that's what I'm trying to improve in my trading, right? Just if I decide to take a trade, and that means that money is already out of my account. I don't count with it anymore after I am in one trade, right? So I moved my stop finally when we broke to this pivot. We broke these two pivots to the downside. I moved my stop, right? I was very disciplined here, and I was waiting. We came so close to my target, and then we retraced here around like 15 points. But it is what it is. I didn't move my target. I was willing to wait for it to get filled, and that is what happened here. So I want to show you the internals. The ADQD was like a textbook setup. It was up, and then it was creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, then a higher low, then a like similar high, and then it collapsed, right? And after this trend change, for me, the retracement was my trade. So this is the perfect setup for me, textbook setup, and same thing for the tick chart. The tick chart was creating highs, but was creating lower highs while the market was breaking new highs, right? All right, so this is my this is the big picture. So I was waiting here for these two pivots to be broken, and then my trade was right here. And this is a trade that I missed. I have two missed trades. The 25 zones, all these areas were marked, draw during the live trading session. This is the second trade that I missed. These two zones were there when we were trading live. So if you like what I do here, please like, subscribe, and share. I go live every morning for 8:45 for the pre-market analysis, and 9:25 for the live trading session. So let's wrap up this video and see you all guys tomorrow. Thank you.